Hi, it's Iona at Wren House Studio, and I'm going to do a series of eight 2-minute videos. Each video will address a single process or step in the creative approach to living. And because of our current state of affairs and the real opportunity for each of us as individuals to be at our creative best, despite and in spite of what's going on in the world around us politically. I want to frame each of these 8 steps in each of these 8 individual videos as a container for our collective voice to rise up in a sense of unity and justice for all. The first step is recognizing a fondest dream for connection and unity for all. And when we have a fondest dream, it's a calling, it's a destiny, it's a passion. It cannot be denied. And so the first step in the creative process, in allowing ourselves to connect with justice and unity for all, is to see that as a fondest dream. If we recognize that it is a fondest dream in my heart, in your heart, in our hearts, in the heart of the universe, we're on a track that can begin to connect us and guide us and lead us forward. That is the first step in the creative process for justice and harmony for all. I'll see you in the next video.